Hi everybody, and welcome to this episode of Beth's Best, your home for room tours, reviews, and guides. We are at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. We are about to check out the new Copper Creek DVC villas. We are about to check out a 2-bedroom villa, which is a 1-bedroom with a deluxe studio. They lock off together to be a 2-bedroom, so you get to see those, which of course you can book separately or together. Let's check it out. We are in the deluxe studio right now. The door is behind me, and the kitchen right here. I'm loving these sliding drawers. It's kind of like what they have at Bay Lake, if you've stayed in the 1-bedrooms there. Even the studio at Bay Lake has some sliding cabinet space, which is really fantastic. And then there's this large barn door, which separates off the bathroom area and the shower. Really nice countertop and drawers for storage. Not the largest studio on Disney property, but these rooms are actually really nice, and they're really lightly decorated and very clean and modern. And the couch pulls out into a queen-size bed, which is nice, and you've got this amazing balcony space. We are in the beautiful 1-bedroom villa here at Copper Creek, and I gotta say, I'm really impressed with their use of space. So if you're familiar with the resort, you know that these rooms were converted from regular, cash rooms at Wilderness Lodge. This whole south wing was converted. So the rooms definitely are a little bit smaller in terms of square footage, you'll notice that, but it doesn't feel small. And they've really maximized the storage. There's all kinds of drawers. I mean, I don't think any of the DVC units anywhere else have this much storage, to be honest with you. So it does not feel cramped. They really did a beautiful job. So we've just finished our tour of the 2-bedroom villa here, which is actually a 1-bedroom with a deluxe studio attached to it, so they're locked off with each other to form a 2-bedroom. And of course both categories can be booked separately as well, which is really nice. As I mentioned before, I love the storage in those rooms. They're not huge in terms of square footage, but the color palette and the very kind of sleek, modern, built-in furniture makes it feel a lot more spacious. And a family would definitely be comfortable in those units. Absolutely love them. So if you haven't stayed at Wilderness Lodge before, you should. And if you have, you will definitely love this because it's a really nice addition to what's already here with Boulder Ridge. And of course, Wilderness Lodge has a fantastic pool. There's their own separate DVC pool as well. There's Geyser Point, which is where we are right now, having a beverage. And of course, you're just a stone's throw away from Magic Kingdom. So definitely something to check out. Well, that's it for our tour. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like. That way it pops up higher in the search feed for other people who are looking for similar content. And please subscribe. Hit that little bell button. That way you'll follow along my next adventure. You'll get notifications of wherever I go. And share this video with your friends if you thought it was helpful or they might enjoy it. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon.